Welcome to PFTV. Spethu Shaba disappointing result to the boys. Ibone kanjani?
Nto yami igame yebus 2 ehlukile kule ngidlale noMarumo. Ngidlala noMarumo ngiza ngeconfidence ehigh ngiyashisa ngiright. Ngiya nawe ku Sundowns uyangishintsha yonke into engize ngayo. Ngithathela abantu abayihlelele le emabhenjini uzobafaka la. Sibilibili. Right umfakele ku Sundowns. Iposition omfaka kuyo eyipi? Umfakelani as a right back. Noma ekhona kusibilibili mfaki phambili azokhona ukukhuphuka. Sina inkinga nani noNdaba from kwigame iMarumo bayangifaka ngani noNdaba. Ucoach uyacala manje uyazibonakalisa ukuthi uyasifaila. Ucoach uyacala uyazibonakalisa ukuthi lento esimkhuze yona ku first game yesikhukhuni ku second game yeMarumo ubuyela kuyo lonto le third game sidliwa ngama mistake wethu uthatha ibham zethu azinezi opponent ukuthi azidubule ngakithi athi mina ngizoya nje ngingaphethanga nix uyabona so wonke ama flop awenzeka la awakacoach and then emuva uchacha i-back four yakho bodlala ngayo kahle and then i-combination yakasibisi no-CM ayisebenza usibisi i-communication yakhe ayikho that strong uyabona uyasaba uSiyema kuze kube ngathi manje inkomo akaphera uSiyema noChabatsana akaphera uSiyema noSesana sibona ngithi abanye yakhona ubakhipha afake elona naye ucaptain akanikeza abanye iarmband bangene bayenza combination yasemuva sibona ukuthi kuza njani midfield ekamakhehleni unemtajela and then noTito ayisebenzi angeke ivuka isebenzile. We miss you Nduli wherever la ukhona Nduli we miss you uyidrivile le ya midfield angikhumbuli sine lose uNduli ukhona egamini angikhumbuli nomuntu obhayezayo ukhona kuleyo midfield uyangithola ama player weOrlando Pirates awathole ucoach ekhona sisawacela futhi ukuthi awabuye azodlalela iOrlando Pirates because ama player weMighty Orlando Pirates why ufuna ukuthi wonke ama player lawo watholela fanele kube nenkingi amanye sizosekuthiwa yahamba amanye in we are not happy ngayo yonke lento le siyibhekile coach siyacela mangabe worry technical or management or yini sort leyo nto out because la sitshela ukuthi consistency sesibambile then we give it away like igame yeSundowns bengenabungozi nix bengenabungozi nix sizodliwa ile schema seSundowns ngeke siphinde score negoli uzobona I swear kuyoze phela isizini igame yeKaizer le ntwana lezi first 10 minutes ziyakubonisa ukuthi siyakuchallenge ama flop maningi kwimi imidfield icon uprotector i-defender end up weak because i-communication ayihlangana usibisi communication yakhe beno no-CM after uCM asekho uCM angasakhona ukuhlanganisa lo asekanayo nemtajela you are forever angazi ukuthi uyaqasha ngathi semva kwabanye ama substitute ka coach umkhiphelani uMakhawula umkhiphelani uHot yakhuphuka bayakhona ukumbhekapela umuntu bekumele amkhiphe lapha uDino mayibamba ibhola esikhathi esiningi ubuyele emuva bese yamabhola ayaluzeka so asikho happy iOrlando Pirates ayilungisele lento because manje thina sesivulele ingozi thina asena confident ukuthi masemagamini sizowina or kanjani iderby weekend asazi coach ukuthi ufuna ukubonani kuma support asazi ukuthi ucoach ufuna ukubonani
Yeah, Puchava asicethe on a positive note at least 2 cups in the bag we still top of the table we heading to Kaizer Chiefs score prediction
i-score se-derby weekend kuyoba i-lovely draw. It's going to be a lovely draw because manje and i-lovely draw under i-pressure enkulu and i-draw yosinceda ngokuthini kuphunywe kahle kube mnandi kube nepeace cause saze saluze eSoccer City aish man asifuni ukumblame ucoach sifuna ukuthi balungise lama flop ayenzakalayo lapha ukuthi uzothi mayelikhipha iplayer libele besathi ne injury ama player udlalile umbatha last sekane injury udlalile uMahop sekane injury and ama injury wabathatha babeyile kuma Greysten osinini bangabikho at all kushenko kwacala so nakumbatha kuyalandela kuzoba so uMaster Chef esingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sicela ama-player we-Orlando Pirates abuye azodlala i-Orlando Pirates. La kunenkinga khona and then sothani inkinga kodwa masingene efieldini asibeni sespanini because nathi size espanini ukuzosupporta i-Mighty Orlando Pirates.
He said it well, Prashava Bopa.